So the fifth criteria was not met, however the sixth was. Since Zika virus, RNA has been seen in damaged mononuclear cells, like glial cells and neurons in the brains of newborns with microcephaly. But Zika virus has also been cultured from the brain of a fetus with severe brain anomalies after maternal infection at 11 weeks of gestation. Zika virus efficiently infects neural progenitor cells and produces cell death and abnormal growth, such providing a possible mechanism for microcephaly. So that means that it fulfills criteria 6 because it makes biological sense. 7 doesn't apply because it's only applies to chemical exposures, not infectious agents. So how does Zika cause microcephaly? It's not exactly known. As mentioned with criteria 6, it infects the progenitor cells and creates cell death, so that could be a possible way that it causes microcephaly, but also other viruses such as cytomegalovirus that are also linked to causing microcephaly help to shed some light on how Zika might cause microcephaly. So cytomegalovirus attacks stem cells and brain tissues during fetal development, and this prevents the fetal brain from forming properly, thus why they have smaller heads. So there's some data and research about Zika. So a study in Brazil of 88 pregnant women who had onset rash in the previous 5 days were tested for Zika virus RNA. So 72 women had positive tests, and of that 72, 42 women underwent prenatal ultrasonography, and fetal abnormalities were observed in 12 of them, so that's 29%. So that would include microcephaly. None of the 16 women with negative tests had fetal abnormalities, so this suggests also a link with Zika and microcephaly. Additionally, a retrospective analysis after the 2013-2014 outbreak of Zika identified 8 cases of microcephaly, so it's estimated that 1% of the fetuses and neonates who were born to mothers who had been infected with Zika virus in the first trimester had microcephaly, which is 50 times as high as the estimated baseline prevalence.